Alright guys, Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Welcome to the best watch reviewing channel there is, for I am the GOAT. The greatest of all time. I can't even say that without laughing. I've got to give myself a blooming compliment. Nobody else is gonna. Right, anyway, this is, oh, fuck it. Shit, I shouldn't have swore. Oh, I just swore again. Play the intro. Right guys, a slightly different video today, as when I reached out to Wicked Watch Company, they asked me if I would be so kind enough to do a written review. So that's what I've done. I've spent the last 2 days writing a review. There's a link in the description. So this video I'm actually embedding into the review. It's like an unboxing. I'll give you a quick overview of the watch and all that, but it's just supposed to be a quick video, just to back up the whole written aspect thing. I've done a written review in about 18 months, so it took me a bit longer than expected. I couldn't get the pictures right and all the rest of the shit. But anyway, if you want my full thoughts on this watch, go to the link in the description and you can read the review. Anyway, this is how the watch comes in this leather pouch type thing, and as you can see there, it's embossed kinda with a logo there. It's a nice pouch, by the way, nice leather, and it smells, oh, it smells minted, man. Right, I'll show you what's inside. Let me sort this out a wee bit. That's better. Right, inside, so obviously here you have the strap that it comes with. There's space for 2 straps. You also have a strap changing tool here, which is really nice, by the way. You've got like a pin on one side and like a fork on the other. It's really nice. That's quite heavy actually. That's got to be worth a couple of quid anyway. Right, aye. The strap there. Underneath you have the warranty card. 3-year warranty with this watch, by the way, which is well good. No complaints there. Nice warranty card. That's got quite a nice effect to it, isn't it? Ooh. Details on the back. International, 3 years, as I mentioned. Nothing much else on this side. What you get, this is all padded to protect the watch head and all that, and it's all in this like wrap stuff. I'm not going to show you because I've got the watch here to the left, because I've put it on my own strap. Know that this strap is bad in any way. It's really nice actually, good quality, titanium hardware and all that as well. Grade 5 titanium, by the way, and it is hardened. It's not a coating, but it is hardened during the manufacturing. Obviously the watch head's the same. I'll show you that in a minute. I just want to show you this. Quick release. This is Swiss rubber. I didn't know that the Swiss were renowned for rubber. I thought it was all about, you know, FKM, Italian. No, that's leather, isn't it? Whatever. It's nice. That's all you need to know. Right, I'll put this to the side and I'll show you the watch. This is my own strap, and I think it matches the watch perfectly. And the only reason I put this strap on, woohoo! I need to get out there, man. I really do. I'll start licking windows in a minute, watch this. Right, the only reason I put this on is because I know that this fits my wrist perfectly. No overhang, no nothing. And it's extremely comfortable. I've had this strap for ages and it cost me, what, 20 quid? And it's like new. But I'm not reviewing Barton straps. Barton Elite silicone, by the way. Black on the inside, on the underside, and calm down. Well, fuck. White on top. Double keepers. Brushed hardware, blah blah blah. Right, this is supposed to be a quick video, so I'll quickly go through the specs. Well, I'll give you the highlights. I'm not going to give you everything away. You'll need to go and check my written review, excuse me. The exact measurements and all that, I'll just give you a quick overview. As I mentioned, 39mm case, right, and it's under 10mm thick, 46.5mm lug to lug, 20mm lug width. It's extremely light, grade 5 titanium, sapphire sandwich, under 10mm thick, as I mentioned, with an exhibition case back, and double domed sapphire crystal on top. So that's impressive. The case, it's quite flat, if you know what I mean. Quite, no slab side, but flat. There's not much curvature to the profile. Push pull crown, signed obviously. But the star of the show is the dial. Oil pressed dial, and without going into too much detail, because I want you to read the review, because I put a lot of work into it, so I'd appreciate it if you go to my website and actually read the thing. But the dial's gorgeous. The dial, I don't know if star of the show. Anyway, black surrounds, how a white dial should be. Extremely nice. Applied hour markers. This watch is Swiss made. That's the only text that's on the dial there. You can see it just below the 6. Swiss made. Lovely jubbly. Nice hands as well. Nice and proportionate. Proportioned. For fuck's sake. See? Goat. Anyway. This is just it was just to give you a look at the packaging and a kind of overall look at the watch. The movement, by the way, is, what's it called again? The Soprod M100. 25 joules, 28,800 vibrations an hour, hackable self-winding with a 42-hour power reserve. And it's fully regulated. Put it on the time grapher, plus 2 seconds a day. Fabulous. Right, guys, please, as I say, please check out the written review. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, as I say, quick video. Go and check it out. Right, I'll see you in the next video. I'll be back to the normal full review in video format. Right, as always, I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.